Hi folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's safe, hope everybody's well. So, hand gel. So, can you set it alight with a fire still? So if you're out in the woods, for example, and you need a fire, and you can't find tinder, but you've got a little bottle of hand gel with you, can you set it alight? Let's try. So in here I have a Swedish fire still. I've got a lighter, a few other bits and bobs. So let's just see then whether or not we can set this hand gel alight. So first of all then, let's just put some dobs on the bottom of this old saucepan, look, see what happens. Yeah, well, there's definitely a flame on that. In fact, it's still burning now, look. Let's try and zoom in, shall we? It's definitely burning. Don't know how well you can see the flame, but that is definitely burning. At least it was, it's just gone out. Let's try again, shall we? There we go, definitely flame on there. Now I don't know how well you can see it, but let's just prove it. There you go. There you go. And again. So basically that is not just an urban myth, that definitely does burn. You can definitely use it as a firelighter. I'll tell you what, look, we've got duct tape here. Let's see if we can get this alight, shall we? So if we had a little bit of hand gel and we got a bit of duct tape, can we get ourselves a decent little fire going? There you go, look, sweet. Perfect. Now that'll last for a short while actually, so yeah, that's really good. How much fun can you have in a man cave, eh? Okay. So I think that's pretty conclusive, don't you? Alcohol gel can definitely be used as a fire starter.